want to type something? Yeah, you want to type something? Oh, don't throw up on my computer. You want to type something?
Oh.
Whoa, what happened? You're thinking about something. You're like,
He likes that.
Whoa!
It can be a computer dork like your
You
daddy.
can't reach the keys. You gotta crawl a little more. Wow! Tatum! What are you typing there? Whoa!
He's so happy.
Whoa! Whoa!
Tatum.
Whoa.
영재. 영재 씨.
Don't mess anything up.